So we are discussing about simple electric circuit question answers. Today we are going to end the topic of simple electric circuit with two or three answers. With that our lesson part will be completed and next we will go to the new lesson. The first question from this is why we are advised, first one very important, why we why we are advised to wear rubber chappals while working with electricity. Why we are advised to wear rubber slippers while working with electricity? For this the answer is rubber is an so please see here. What is the answer for this one? Why we are advised to wear rubber chappals while working with electricity? Rubber is an insulator, so insulator does not allow the current to flow through it. Insulators does not allow the current to flow through it. Thus, it is advised to wear rubber chappals. We discussed about conductors and insulators. What are conductors? Conductors allow the electricity to flow through them. Insulator does not allow. So, because of that, we wear rubber chappals while working with electricity. Rubber is an insulator. Because of that, we are using this one. Okay, next question.
Start.
Now the next one. Why don't we use wires without plastic? This is also very important. Second one. Why do not we use the wires without removing plastic covering? This is the second one. Okay. Answer for this, because plastic is an insulator. Insulator Next question. What is a switch and how does it work? Next one. What is current? Answer. The flow of electricity in a circuit is called current. Now see here the three answers which will be repeated in the exams and which are important. Why don't we use the wires without removing plastic covering? If we did not remove plastic covering, plastic, the word itself indicates that is it a conductor or insulator? It is an insulator. So, because plastic is an insulator, insulator does not allow electric current to pass through them. Because of that, we have to remove the plastic coating and we have to join the copper wires or whatever wires are present, then only the electricity flows through them. So, because if we did not have the plastic coating to the metals, what will happen? We will get a shock. So, plastic coating is important, but the electricity should flow means it won't pass through the plastic. So, because of plastic is an insulator, insulator does not allow electric current to pass through them. Next question is, what is a switch and how does it work? The switch is a small device to on or off light or fan. Okay, etc. Anything. It works by closing or opening the circuit. For what purpose we are using the switch? To open and close the circuit. Next one. What is current? The flow of electricity in a circuit is called a current. The flow of electricity in a circuit is called a current. Shall we go with the next one?
Start.
So the next one is while using So see here, while using an electric cell, we are cautioned not to connect the two terminals of the cell with a single wire. Two terminals means the positive terminal and negative terminal should not be connected with a single wire. Positive terminal should be connected with one wire and negative terminal should be connected with another wire. Two should not be connected with the same single wire. Why means yes, it is not correct and quite dangerous. It is not correct, and also it is quite dangerous to connect the two terminals of a cell with a single wire. If we connect the two terminals of a cell with a single wire, the quick discharge of electricity, fast the electricity will be discharged between two terminals through the wires, causes a large amount of heat to be produced. What will happen? Large amount of heat will be produced, which leads to an explosion of the cell. Means the cell will burst, and even the electric circuit what is working, it also will be spoiled. Note the second point carefully. If you connect the two terminals of a cell with a single wire, the quick discharge of electricity between the two terminals through the wire causes a large amount of heat to be produced, which leads to an explosion of the cell. Did you understand? We should not connect two terminals of the cell with a single wire. With this, your simple electric circuit lesson was completed, and tomorrow we will go with the new lesson. Thank you.